Mahatma Phule Shikshan Sanstha's Karmavir Bhaurao Patil College is celebrating the Diamond Jubilee year in 2021. A great social thinker and pro-proletariat leader in Maharashtra, Professor N.D. Patil, and a group of visionary teachers and men established this college exactly before 60 years. They were inspired with the vision to provide education to the children of laymen in this area and to transform the lives of the ignorant, exploited and downtrodden classes. This college is different in every aspect from other colleges in the vicinity, may it be quality education or its role towards social responsibility. The social background behind the establishment of this college is worth memorable and signifies inheritance of firm ideology in favor of social evolution. It was the time when caste was so prevalent. In such times, Bhaurao Patil, who was learning in Kolhapur princely state of Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj, came to visit his father who was in the government service. On his way back to Kolhapur, a scene made him restless. He saw a child was trying to learn letters from the outside of the school walls, though there was enough space in the classroom. He approached the schoolmaster and asked him about this discrimination. The schoolmaster answered that the boy belongs to the untouchable caste. He could not tolerate it and he took the boy to Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj in Kolhapur and told him everything. This scene sowed the seeds of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha. Everybody knows about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, but nobody knows about a scholar who shouldered the responsibility of editorship of Muknayak in the absence of Babasaheb Ambedkar when he went abroad to seek further education. The name of that person is Gnandev Gholap, the same boy whom Bhaurao Patil took to Kolhapur. He later became the MLA of then Mumbai Presidency. Islampur is the same village from where Bhaurao took him Kolhapur. Anna's wish to establish a college in Islampur could not be fulfilled in his lifetime, but his loyal disciple N.D. Patil at the age of 33 fulfilled his dream by establishing this college with the help of his devoted comrades. We boast this is the first college in Maharashtra to be named after Karmavir Bhaurao Patil. Naming of the Sanstha after Mahatma Phule, college after Karmavir Bhaurao and library after Maharshi Vittal Ramji Shinde shows that his umbilical cord is connected to the tradition of reformer sons of the soil. The college speaks with pride the tradition of principals like Dr. N.D. Patil himself, Professor A.D. Attar and V.B. Sainakar, who possess a broad social approach.
शेतकरी कष्टकरी वर्गातल्या गोरगरीब कुटुंबातील मुलांना शिक्षण मिळावं आणि ज्ञानाच्या प्रकाशात त्यांचे आयुष्य उजळून निघावे या उदात्त हेतूने ज्येष्ठ सामाजिक विचारवंत व कष्टकरी जनतेचे नेते प्राध्यापक N.D. पाटील आणि त्यांच्या सहकार्याने या महात्मा फुले शिक्षण संस्थेची स्थापना 1954 मध्ये केली. महात्मा फुले, राजर्षी शाहू महाराज, भारतरत्न बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर व महर्षी शिंदे, कर्मवीर भाऊराव पाटील या थोर समाजसुधारकांच्या विचार कार्याचा वारसा केंद्रस्थानी ठेवून या शिक्षण संस्थेची यशस्वी वाटचाल चालू झालेली आहे.
गुणवत्तेबरोबरच सामाजिक चळवळींची दीर्घ परंपरा असलेल्या आमच्या महाविद्यालयाने विविध क्षेत्रात उल्लेखनीय कार्य केले आहे. विद्यार्थी केंद्रबिंदू मानून वाटचाल करणाऱ्या आमच्या कॉलेजने वाळवा आणि शिराळा तालुक्याच्या सर्वांगीण विकासामध्ये मोलाचे योगदान दिलेले आहे. काळानुरूप बदलते शैक्षणिक प्रवाह विचारात घेऊन नवनवीन प्रयोग करण्याचा आमचा मानस आहे.
विद्यार्थ्यांच्या शैक्षणिक गुणवत्ता वाढीबरोबरच त्यांच्या अंगी असणाऱ्या विविध कलागुणांना वाव मिळावा आणि त्यांच्या व्यक्तिमत्वाचा सर्वांगीण विकास व्हावा यासाठी आमचे प्रयत्न सुरू आहेत. राष्ट्रीय आणि आंतरराष्ट्रीय पातळीवर आमचा विद्यार्थी सक्षमपणे उभा राहावा, त्याने विविध क्षेत्रात आपल्या कार्यकर्तृत्वाचा ठसा उमटवावा या अनुषंगानं महाविद्यालयामध्ये विविध विभाग सध्या कार्यरत आहेत.
The college is the incubation center of thoughts and ideas of various rational movements. One of the major activity centers of Maharashtra Andhashraddha Nirmूलन Samiti in Western Maharashtra is our college. विद्रोही सांस्कृतिक movement, समाजवादी प्रबोधिनी, Pradhyapak N.D. Patil Pratishthan, etc. Social Rational Movements run various social activities through the platform of our college. The editing of the magazines in the field of enlightenment and literature is operated from our college. Nitin Shinde of Andhashraddha Nirmulan Patrika, Pramod Ganganmale of Thought and Action, and Vivek Jagar, Eknath Patil of Dakshin Maharashtra Sahitya Patrika, Rajesh Dandge of Sangharshshil to question slow and unwilling investigation of the assassination of Dr. Narendra Dabholkar, Comrade Govind Pansare. The college created a Ringan Natak named Socrates Dabholkar Pansare via Tukaram. This Natak is directed, written and performed by our students, alumni, faculty and staff. Our UG and PG students always spearhead academic performance by claiming places in merit list of Shivaji University. In the last 60 years, they have left their impressions on the merit list of the university. At present, 26 of our faculty decorate with PhD. Of them, 6 are PhD guides. The number of SETNET qualified and PhD decorated alumni is really noteworthy. Our administrative staff have honestly been contributing. The college at present disseminates knowledge through the departments of Marathi, Hindi, English, History, Political Science, Sociology, Economic, Geography, Commerce, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science, Microbiology, Mathematics. Our Biotechnology department is one of the 5 colleges, and the Department of Psychology is a recognized department offering degrees under the patronage of Shivaji University. Marathi, Hindi, English, History, Economics, Psychology, Commerce, Chemistry and Mathematics avails PG degrees to the students. Many of our staff members have worked as member and chairman on BOS, Academic and Managing Council of Shivaji University, other universities and autonomous colleges. All faculty have presented their research papers at various conferences, seminars, workshops and published their research papers in reputed national and international research journals.
Lightning detection system is installed in our college through a memorandum of understanding with ISRO, which is valid up to 2025. The Department of Sociology has developed the first educational app to guide competitive examination aspirants with basic and fundamental concepts of sociology. The Department of Psychology persistently counsels the people during crisis periods like flood and corona pandemic, whereas the Department of Geography guides farmers on land maps. The automated weather station is installed in the Department of Geography. The college has facilitated education of those who could not pursue education through a study center of Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, Nashik. Maharshi Vittal Ramji Shinde, the oldest and the richest library in the region, facilitates students, researchers, readers and scholars. Rarest books are available in our library. There are approximately 79,648 books in the library and 31,64,309 online books, and there are 6,150 journals which are available to the stakeholders. The library runs book bank scheme, reading space and extra hour facility to our multi-talented students. Readers may avail our membership facility with a token amount. The college has great inheritance of public orators and creative writers. Poet Suryakant Khandekar, popular Marathi novelist Devdatta Patil, scholar of Saint literature V.R. Todkar, poetess Shaila Sainakar, Professor A.K. Pattekari, Professor V.D. Kadam and poet N.S. Kshirsagar are our faculty members who don't need any formal introduction in public life. The annual magazine of the college, Jyoti, reflects our progressive and vertical development. The magazine has preserved our life history since 1967. It has been awarded with a few state awards. Strong and successful participation in co-curricular activities of our students imprint our influence. The college has long tradition of sports and it has become gem mine of sportsmen. Many stars of Kabaddi have been born and brought up on the ground of this college. Islampur city has become stream of sportsmanship with our contribution. Sanjay Vadar and Nitin Madne are the recipients of the most reputed and decorated Shiva Chhatrapati Sports Award of Maharashtra government. They have led the Indian Kabaddi with their deep-rooted rural and genuine talent of Kabaddi. Krishna Madne have led the junior Kabaddi team of India at international level. The college provides facilities of volleyball, handball, wrestling, taekwondo, malakham and boxing too. The college has established Vivek Jagar Manch to inculcate scientific temperament among the students through the activities of Vivek Vahini, Vivek Patra, Azad Patra and open discussion forums to avail the students to express their views and to shape their intellect on current issues of the society. The students, faculty and other stakeholders directly contribute in society through the activities organized by Vivek Jagar Manch. National Service Scheme and National Cadet Corps, girls and boys, are collective dynamism to lead from front during the flood, famine and corona pandemic. Any emergency call from anywhere takes our students on the field to face the challenge without any hesitation and danger. The volunteers and cadets have imprinted their names with their zeal and excellence during many university, state and national camps. The contribution of the college is noted and honored by the university and government authorities by awarding the best volunteer, the best program officer and best NSS unit. The cadet of NCC work on different defense services in Indian Army.
The urban dominancy in civil service examination is overcome by Karmveer Spardha Pariksha Prabodhini by providing facilities, guidance and resources to rural students who belong to agrarian, peasant, crafter and laboring background. Mahatma Phule Shikshan Sanstha established the center in 2003 with the objectives to ignite the spirit of civil examination among the determined and resolute rural students to address the problems of rural India at administrative level. We feel proud to celebrate the success 1,100 students in different civil examinations. Altaf Sheikh has cleared UPSC in 2021 by securing 545 rank. Our center has become the high flag feather and the crown of Islampur city. Mahatma Phule Shikshan Sanstha's chairman, Advocate N.R. Patil, Vice Chairman, Sunil Patil, General Secretary, Honorable Saroj Patil Mai, administer the daily activities of the center towards pinnacle success. Savitribai Phule Yuti Manch worked to enlighten the students and society about gender sensitivity by organizing different activities to address the gender issues. Mahatma Phule Shikshan Sanstha resoluted in its general meeting to establish the forum to deal with the objectives of it. The institution has established girls' hostel to accommodate girl students of rural and hilly area to address their problems of residence and full-time involvement in higher education. The hostel with a common room, mess and recreation center in college premises avails them the opportunity to concentrate on curricular and co-curricular activities with a full potential and zeal. Shahu Cooperation Society, established in 1978 to address the financial issues of the staffs of Mahatma Phule Shikshan Sanstha. There are 130 current members of the society with deposits of rupees around 6 crore.
Urban-dominated field of film industry and TV serials is also conquered by our students. The rural actor and actresses like Shivani Ghadge, Satya Pamore, Rahul Magdum, Rahul Jagtap, Firoz Sheikh, Sonali Patil, Deepak Pandarbale, Yashwant Thomre, Harish Tandale, Swapnali Patil, Ali Pathan are the leading alumni. Vijay Nangre, leading cartoonist of Delhi Lokmat, is our alumni. Our students have flagged our name at National Youth Festival many times. Jagannath Nangre, administrative staff of our college, is a popular singer in the region whose voice mesmerized many people at a time. Our college, responsibly through its genuine and mind-rooted efforts, strives to develop excellence of our students in various sectors and lead them towards best career options. We believe on the dynamics of idealism of Shahu Phule Ambedkar Karmavir Maharshi Vitthal Ramji Shinde to form our students' career. Professor Dr. N.D. Patil is not mere a personality, but it is more a thought and pole star showing directions to agrarian, education and progressive movements. He has been the mountaineering fundamental force to establishment of the college, who alone annihilated the government's white paper report on education. The college, having a ray of education legacy founded by reformists, wants to shine towards luminary success in the education, research, civil services, cooperation and many more.